Guys, may masasuggest ba kayo para sa project natin sa physics?
Kung ano kaya, gawa tayo ng lampshade gamit yung bulb.
Oo nga, no? Para maging useful din naman sa atin.
So guys, paano naman natin magagawa yun?
We are the group P6.
Before we dive in our activity, let us know first what is a circuit. A circuit is an unbroken loop of conductive material that allows the charge carrier to flow continuously without beginning or an end. If a circuit is broken, that means its conductive elements are no longer in a complete path, and its continuous charge flow cannot occur in it.
Before doing this activity, please make sure there are parental guidance and observe safety precautions.
The title of our activity is Light Me Up. The materials that we're going to use for this activity are light bulb, wire, electrical tape, switch, and different coloring materials for designs.
We also use screws and screwdrivers.
Okay, now let us proceed to the procedures. So the first procedure is to prepare all the materials with proper precaution. The second step is to cut the wire into 3 parts, then insert the bulb into the socket and check if it's perfectly. Then, grab the last wire and lock it up to the switch too.
Step 4. After that, shape the wires from the other ends to the battery so that it will fit in it.
Lastly, you can try opening the switch to see if the wires and bulb are connected well. If they are, the light will turn on.
Step 6. You can also add some final touchings or designs if you desire to. You should also check the wires before submitting your work. So, we decided to turn our bulb into a lampshade. We thought that even though we are done in our experiment, our lampshade can be useful to us. So, we make this into this. Our lampshade will still be useful for us. For example, if there is an emergency brownout, we can still use our lampshade to its full potential and shine the light into our home. So, based on our activity, I think many of you wonder how we make the bulb to light. So, the electrons flow from the battery's negative side to a conducting material base of the bulb. From there, the electrons flow up to the wire that is inside the bulb and across the filament. Fun fact! So for any of you who did not know, the filament is the part of the bulb that lights. And when the electrons go through the filament, some of the electrical energy is changed to heat and light energy. And the electrons continue down to another small wire inside the bulb, to another conductor of the base on the bulb. So, the electrons finally make their way to the positive side of the battery.
for watching. I hope you understand our simple activity about circuits. Once again, we are P6.